Maintaining good health requires us to be multifaceted in our approach and application of healthy lifestyles. And quite frankly, everything starts with the guts, your guts. For a typical man made up of flesh and spirit, for him to survive, he must rely on two things: oxygen and nutrients. We can treat with oxygen because it is vital to overall well-being. But for today, and given the event that we are celebrating, which is the reopening of the Newtown Dental Clinic, I choose to confine my remarks to the nutrients, or things related to the nutrients. These nutrients are typically drawn from what we consume as food, which again typically enters our digestive and circulatory systems, beginning with our mouth and through our guts. The vital mastification process is heavily dependent on the quality of our oral health and is considered to be one of the most significant factors that could adversely affect the quality of life. It is therefore why my government invests heavily in providing free dental services to the people of this country, especially to the youths attending schools and colleges. Since all diseases begin in the gut, according to Hippocrates, who was described as the father of modern-day medicine, it behoves us to be very conscious, very alert, very mindful of what we consume as food. And even when such food is best for ensuring our long and healthy life, we must ensure that contamination does not begin with poor oral health. Poor oral health contributes to many diseases that are prominent today and includes such diseases as diabetes all the way to heart attacks, according to the Journal of Medicine. As a nation considers, and as we consider universal health coverage, we work to bend the curve on all chronic diseases and indeed on the cost associated with such diseases towards the horizontal line, so that the cost of health care can eventually be reduced. And so I welcome the commencement of this new chapter in the East. I am proud of the fact that my government is delivering this service in this facility once again. And I'm proud that I'm afforded the opportunity by the good people of my constituency to be your humble servant serving as this is initiated at this time. Despite its name, the Newtown Dental Clinic, throughout its history, is largely regarded as the ultimate health facility for the provision of dental and oral health services as part of the government public health program. Throughout its history, the center not only provided services to the peripheral communities, as those people in East Bastia, but to residents throughout the entire island of St. Kitts. The unfortunate closure of the unit, because it was deteriorating, to facilitate the need for refurbishment, dictated that alternate sites be utilized in order for the continuance of the services provided by this unit. As such, the government in 2017 relocated public dental operations to both Mary Charles Hospital in Molyneux and to the Pogson Hospital in Sandy Point. Notwithstanding the extended length of the closure, which was referred to as 2 years, the details outlined by Dr. Liebert suggest that quite a lot of work had gone into those 2 years to produce what we have today. And despite that, it gives me as Minister of Health great pleasure to witness and to be part of this reopening event. Dental and oral health screening and treatment programs forms a significant part of the overall primary health care capacity and framework of the Ministry of Health, and by extension, the government of St. Kitts and Nevis. Now, looking further ahead, the Team Unity administration, of which I'm a part, has affirmed its commitment to health sector improvement through its ongoing programs to improve the physical infrastructure of all of our healthcare facilities. The refurbishment of the Newtown Dental Clinic is therefore seen as a testament to that commitment. Further, as Minister of Health, I am pleased to inform that during the coming months, the commitment will be center stage when we witness the completion and commissioning of the brand new state-of-the-art health center in Tabernacle. If any of you have been there, you recognize that we're doing quite some construction there. And I want to give Dr. Harris in particular a round of applause for his work to initiate that. Also within the coming months, grounds will be broken to begin construction of a new St. Peter's Health Center to replace the current facility which has outlived its capacity. Throughout the island, major improvement work will be undertaken to improve the physical condition of all health centers, as I said before. It is also anticipated that during 2019, the Ministry of Health will be commencing work at the Joseph N. France General Hospital in what we have described as phase 3 of that project to develop the hospital. That project will see the demolition of the old section of the facility and the reconstruction to include the upgrades for new cardiac catheterization unit, mortuary and pathological labs, central medical stores, kitchen and catering units, among other things. There is much work to be done. That had been left undone by our predecessors, and now we are ensuring that all this work will be done, certainly most of it throughout this term, and the rest during our second term. As I wrap up, therefore, I take this opportunity on behalf of the Team Unity Administration and the Ministry of Health to express sincere gratitude to all those who were instrumental in bringing the Newtown Dental Clinic refurbishment project to this stage. Thanks to the Public Works Department for undertaking the refurbishment work. Thanks to the staff of the dental unit for your efforts and patience. Thanks to those who work in the Ministry of Health for the oversight, and to all other service providers, we say indeed a big thank you. To the staff of the newly refurbished dental unit, I implore you to maintain your vigilance in overseeing and upkeeping the maintenance of this facility to ensure that we continue to provide high-quality dental care in an environment of comfort and that meets international standards. Thank you.